Step 1. Ensure safety first. Before you begin, make sure the drum or container you intend to lock out is in a safe state, free of active hazards. Ensure it's on stable ground and there's no active transfer or pouring of contents. Step 2. Choose the right gasket. Your drum lockout comes with 2 expandable rubber gaskets of different diameters. Choose the one that best fits the bunghole or opening of your drum. Then assemble the device. Step 3. Insert the lockout device. Insert the lockout device into the drum's bunghole or other opening, ensuring the rubber gasket is positioned inside. Step 4. Expand the rubber gasket. Once the lockout device is positioned correctly, turn the wing nut clockwise. As you do this, the rubber gasket will expand, creating an air and watertight seal. Continue turning until the device fits snugly and cannot be easily removed. Step 5. Lock the device. With the drum lockout in place, secure with a Lodo padlock. Step 6. Verification. Gently attempt to remove or turn the drum lockout to ensure it's securely locked in place and the drum opening is inaccessible. Step 7. Tagging. For enhanced safety and to provide additional information, you can attach a tag to the Lodo lock. This tag can mention details about who locked out the drum, the reason, and when it is expected to be unlocked. Congratulations! Your drum is now securely locked out with TRADESAFE's Drum Lockout, ensuring optimal safety and protection against unauthorized access and potential contamination.